These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions. Trading involves risk, and results can vary based on your experience, trading style, and risk management, and how well you can calculate and manage those risks. These live sessions are my personal trading sessions shared strictly to educate and document my own journey in the markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I took my first trade right now because of this beautiful market sequence. This is a very nice ranging market. I had a couple of opportunities. Let me just take another one. This is a sell trade. This is a buy trade. And this is based on common point of rejection. And this is based on the market sequence. If you look at the market, we have seen so many double red candlesticks. And then the green candle came into the game. It's the only reason for taking this trade. Also this one, it's a common point of rejection for this sell. It seems that this is going to be a winning trade and this is going to be a losing trade, which will make us break even on this trade. That is fine. The reason is because it touched the QM and it's going up. Okay, once we touch a QM buy, this is a QM buy area, it also has a trend line. Everything becomes bullish, and this sell right here for common point of rejection was against the market's movement. That's why we lost that, and we win this buy trade down here. This is a QM, it touched the shoulder, it's dropping now. I don't see any opportunity yet. Okay, this is an order block. So if the price comes inside this order block, let me just see. Okay, let me just take a buy right here because of that overlap. All right, I don't see a visible, like a good demand area in lower time frame. I see this overlap. Overlaps are another type of demand areas if you don't see, but it should be in very low time frames, okay? If you don't see entry at all, like this, I don't see any entry, but I see this overlap. And also in 10-second time frame and 5-second time frame, the overlap also overlapping each other time frame wise. So that's why I can. Oh, it's 2 minutes. No, we're supposed to win this trade already. You see how it's rejected from the zone, but for some reason it's on 2 minutes. Now I should have checked this before starting my session. Yeah, so you see, this resistance has been resisting the price. Previously, it used to be a QM. Okay? It used to be a QM too. Look, QM pattern looks like this. And this exact pattern. So it used to be a QM. It reacted from the QM. And now, look, it came down, it jumped back up and broke everything. So, an important decision should be made before this breakout happened. So this is called decision point. This is my decision point area. Okay? So if I zoom in, you'll see this fair value gap. So it's not only a decision point, not only a failed QM, it's also an order block. And if I go to lower time frame in this area, 30-second, I don't see anything. 15-second, I don't see anything. If I go to 10-second, you see this little overlap. So inside this overlap, we have a hidden candle like this. If there was a little bit of space in the market was going up, there should be a red one like this. And the market removed that candle and it created this overlap. Okay? If I go to 5-second, this overlap is still exact same area. It makes my overlap very valid here. And I can consider this as a demand area because of that hidden candle. See how it reacted from exact this area. Let me just make this red. If I go to 1 minute, you see how nicely it's rejected. This is my entry. All right. Market is bullish. I wouldn't take this common point of rejection because market is bullish and I wouldn't go against the market's direction. Unless I take it with a small amount. All right, now, this is another decision point, see? Exact same setup, order block, but the previous setup was much cleaner than this one. See, for this one, instead of overlap, we have this red candle right here as the demand area. Just mark it. Boom. This is how I mark it. Red. This is another set, another pair. This is, look, they look exactly like the same. Like respected resistance, decision point. Let's go back to 1 minute and then I show you respected resistance and then the decision point. You know, I used to these setups, that's why I can just detect it in first look. It's the same setup. See, different pairs. See, different pairs, same setup. Both of them reacted beautifully. And I would take both of them because if you look on the second one, we also are breaking a doji. Next candle coming to our entry. So without even having this entry, this is a doji break. This is a third touch breakout as well. First, second, third touch breakout. See, third touch is breaking it. It's also breaking a doji. And then it comes to our entry point for this decision point. So this entry should be amazing to take. A lot of good reasons. A lot of good reasons. For this one, it's only a decision point and order block. It's still beautiful. So this is how I call a trade super beautiful. If you keep detecting them. Sorry for interruption. Finally, Grand competition is starting soon. This is an educational event. Everything is based on learning something. I recently recorded a 118-minute free educational content for the participants of this event. Absolutely free. And you can check the Telegram channel, first link in the description. Updates and announcements about this event will be there soon and it will be started soon as well. So because it's free, the capacity is limited. You have to pay close attention to this one. Also wanted to clarify that the first 10 people of the winners this event will also have a reward other than these educational content. And yeah, let's just keep going. See, I'm not able to find another good setup, and that's just the reality of trading. You cannot consistently keep finding same beautiful setups. Sometimes you see multiple beautiful setups in 10 minutes, and sometimes you just look for them for hours, and then you're not able to find them. It shouldn't frustrate you. Have to have a plan for only taking good trades and avoid random trading. Randomly trading never makes you profitable. Don't trade every setup you see. I've seen a comment saying that he lost using the AI trading. I mean, my question is, do you even know like AI trading is based on what? I mean, I believe he means the AI button that I turned off for myself because it's useless. And then he complains about it. I mean, you have to first figure out what this AI button is. Okay, it trades based on what? It's based on support and resistance. It's based on trend. It's based on what? Then you can decide. You don't even know what is that for. Let me just turn this shit on. This is ridiculous, bro. This AI button, it's not even... Let me just take a trade on this one. Maybe we should try it on demo. I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh. Where did it go? It's on. Alright, it doesn't show me in demo that. Anyways. It's based on nothing. I mean, let me just take let me just find a setup and then we'll take a trade based with this AI button. Okay, I'm not able to find this setup. Okay. This is a common point of rejection. What is this? Okay, look, it bought here. It bought here, okay? I would normally sell exactly right here. But it bought here for some reason. Imagine we win this trade, that would be ridiculous. Oh my god, we won that trade. But I bet that's just lucky because I don't know what it's based on what. That's why I just turned it off. Let me just find the setup. Okay, is this a good setup? This is a third touch. This is a third touch breakout. Oh, this is an order block too. Okay. Let me mark the order block. See, this is the order block. This is the fair value gap. Also, third touch breakout. So we should have a lower time frame entry inside. All right, beautiful. See this beautiful lower time frame entry. This is one of those beautiful setups that I would take it for sure, but it seems that we missed it. Fuck this AI setup. Let's just go back to normal. Yeah. General advice. I don't trade with this. And for me, it's blind trading because we don't know what's that based on. If I knew that it was based on a trend or something, I would probably go to support area, mark my entry and stuff, and then I push it. Okay? I would know it's a good trade if I'm going with the trend and this is based on trend. If they could add something like choosing the concept with this AI button, for example, AI trading with support and resistance, and then we could find the proper market and then just push the button. Okay? Some kind of that type of functionality. But now I just don't know what's this based on, and I cannot risk my money on that. All right. And also, this being here increases the risk of misclicking. Okay? These buttons are small, and this is huge. So sometimes you may misclick this. That's why I turned it off. Anyways, it seems that there's not really another good setup in the market. I just kept talking. Sorry for interruption. Finally, Grand competition is starting soon. This is an educational event. Everything is based on learning something. I recently recorded a 180-minute free educational content for the participants of this event, absolutely free. And you can check the Telegram channel, first link in the description. Updates and announcements about this event will be there soon, and it will be started soon as well. So because it's free, the capacity is limited. You have to pay close attention to this one. Also, wanted to clarify that the first 10 people of the winners this event will also have a reward other than these educational content. And yeah, let's just keep going. All right, finally, it seems like a good setup. Third touch breakout, breaking overlap. This looks beautiful. Oh my god, we missed this common point of rejection. Okay, I took an entry here. Market looks very weird, bro. What is this? No problem. I will make it up on the next trade. Let's go. This is a third touch breakout, breaking two overlapping levels. Also breaking this third touch breakout. It's a double third touch breakout, breaking a doji, breaking two overlapping areas. That's why I go double trade on this one. The market is bad on this pair, so the movements are just telling me that the market is bad. Otherwise, we could have a healthy red candle on this one and win this common point of rejection right here. See how it disrespected this common point of rejection is just because of the bad market. And now I will explain why the double trade on this one once more. Guys, don't forget to join the official Telegram channel. The trading competition will start soon, and it's free to join. It's just an education, like it can help you a lot in controlling your emotions and when it comes to real-time scenarios. If you want to join, it has also prizes for winners. If you want to join, you can just hit the Telegram channel. All right, let me just mark my reasons for taking this trade. All right. This is one third touch breakout. This is the second third touch breakout. If it's not touching, it's not touching, right? Let me mark this. It's not touching. Is it touching? It's touching, so this is not valid. All right, we have two overlapping areas that are broken, and also we have one doji which is broken on this candle, right? And other than that, we have this little supply area, which is a very good supply. There's a lot of liquidity inside the supply. See these? These coming close to supply and not touching it creates a lot of liquidity in the supply above. So that's why we see this aggressive sellers come to the market even though we have gap down. So this was a good trade in my opinion. That's why I took double trade on that one and made the previous loss. I'm just going to stop right here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed and peace out.